Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today Tesla is dropping minus 2.96%. It is trying to frustrate the phenomenal bullish engulfing candlestick pattern it did yesterday. This was a very nice and strong bullish reversal candlestick pattern, and right now we are trying to frustrate this pattern. So should we start panicking? Should we sell Tesla? Should we buy Tesla? Is this good or bad? In my humble opinion, guys, this is very good, okay? As crazy as this sounds, this drop is good and it is important in order for Tesla to develop a stronger, better bullish structure that could make it fly again. So I'm gonna explain to you guys in details how this works in this video. Just remember my friends, click on the like button to support this channel. If you're new around here, consider subscribing because I do daily videos, daily analysis on Tesla and on many other tech stocks like AMD, NVIDIA, Mullen, NIO, etc. So seriously, I think you guys are gonna like our content. Now back to Tesla. It is important to notice that Tesla is dropping, but the entire stock market is dropping. The S&P is minus 60%, NASDAQ minus 1.40%. So Tesla dropping today, it's not entirely a big surprise, but we do have some very important key points to watch from here. First, yes, Tesla triggered our bullish structure yesterday. Tesla did a double bottom chart pattern. So yes, now more than ever, our target is 1087. We can assume that Tesla is gonna turn bullish from here, and I think Tesla is a buy in my humble opinion at this moment. What's more, it is very good because Tesla is dropping, but it is not even retesting the previous support level at 976. Remember what I told you guys yesterday, 976. This is the most important support level in Tesla. Tesla may drop, however, as long as we do not lose this point, Tesla will not resume the bearish momentum, and our bullish thesis all the way up to 1087 is still intact. So this is how I see the situation right now. And guys, it's always important for us to follow our plan, to follow our strategy, and we have more important things going on the market. We're going to analyze the indices next, and the indices will give us a very, very nice clue about how Tesla will behave. But guys, this is another very good example of how important it is for us to have a very good strategy. Okay, right now Tesla is dropping, but this drop is not a big surprise. Again, 976. This is our main support level. As long as Tesla remains above this support level, good. Our thesis is still intact. We must always have a plan for any possible scenario, even when it goes wrong, even when it goes against you. And if Tesla goes against us, okay, we have our key point, we have our stop loss, and this is how we should work. We should always have a very good and solid strategy. You guys have no idea of how a solid strategy can make the difference in the long term. Let's talk about numbers over here. For instance, this year, Tesla is dropping almost 6% right now. I think it's dropping roughly 6% this year. The S&P is dropping a little bit more, is dropping almost 7%. However, our trading methodology, our trading approach is performing amazingly well this year. As you can see on my trading newsletter, the Finance Hydra trading newsletter, we are going up 15% this year. This year, on 2022, we are going up 15% if we consider this week's performance. This week we are performing more than 4% right now. So we are going up nicely while the market, while Tesla, they're all dropping. We are going up amazingly well. Oh Nathan, but you're talking about only 14 weeks, 15 weeks. That's nothing. I need more data. Well, in 2021, when our strategy started, Tesla went up 50%. The S&P went up 27%. We went up 70%. So we are outperforming the market. We can outperform even Tesla for almost 70 weeks. This is not luck. This is what I call a strategy. So if you want to follow our strategy, well, consider subscribing our trading newsletter. Every single one of my trades are public. If you want to have access to my recommendations in real time, subscribe. Now, back to Tesla. Tesla is about to perform well, in my humble opinion, not only because we are above the support level, but I think this drop, and again, this drop is only happening because the entire stock market is dropping. So let's see how the S&P is doing. Guys, the S&P has a crystal clear resistance at 44.56, okay? It seems it is a very annoying price level. It worked as a support level twice and as a resistance level twice in the past. I'm so sorry, 3 times as a support level in the past, 2 times as a resistance level recently. So right now, it feels to me we must break 44.56. But in the daily chart, yesterday we did a bullish engulfing just above the 50% retracement, just above the 4400s, which was March's top. And today we are doing what is called a gift pattern. A gift pattern is just a smaller correction seen in smaller time frames, like the 1 hour chart. And if by any chance the S&P breaks 44.56, we are gonna trigger a phenomenal bullish chart pattern called inverted head and shoulders. And this is a very, very powerful reversal chart pattern just above the retracement, just above the previous support level, the previous top level in the daily chart, and we're gonna trigger a bullish pivot point and break at the same time the most important resistance on the S&P for the short term. If this happens, most likely Tesla will follow this movement. Since we have earnings next week, a bullish movement will be enhanced. That's the most likely scenario. And the NASDAQ index has the similar pattern over here. If the NASDAQ triggers this inverted head and shoulders, it will easily fill this gap. In my humble opinion, it can easily fill the gap, meaning we have more 5%, almost 6% upside potential to go up from here. So that's great. What's more, the NASDAQ just hit the 61.8% retracement in the daily chart, and it is holding nicely over here. So if this scenario materializes, yes, I do believe Tesla will break the 1010 again and will fill all the previous gaps. I like to set different colors for different gaps. Every gap that was already filled, it is blue. The gaps that are still open, they are yellow. And I do believe these 3 gaps are going to be filled by the moment we trigger the inverted head and shoulders chart pattern on the indices. And this means, let me see how much. 10% upside potential from here. So yes, the risk-reward ratio makes sense because that's our potential reward, while this is our risk. 976 is the most important support level. It is our stop loss support level. So I think we have decent chances. The odds are in our favor. Let's see if this scenario will materialize. I am very bullish on Tesla right now, so I think you're gonna do a very nice and amazing movement. However, Tesla is not among the stocks I am trading this week. Remember, if you want to participate in our trading newsletter, subscribe to this channel for daily analysis on Tesla and on other stocks. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great holiday and a great weekend. Stay safe. Farewell.